Hello, dear students. So today we would be moving ahead in this chapter number first, that is chemical reaction and equations, class 10 science. So we were discussing about the redox reactions. So previously I have told you what are the redox reactions, the reactions which where you have reduction and oxidation, that both these reactions are taking place simultaneously. We call those reactions as redox reactions. Okay, so now today let's study some examples of redox reactions. So first let me tell you a brief about oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and the reducing agents, because the questions which you would be getting from the redox reaction would be kind of like suppose a reaction would be given to you, and you would have to find that tell where the oxidation is taking place and where the reduction is taking place, or which substance is being oxidized, is getting oxidized, or which substance is getting reduced, which is the reducing agent, and which one is the oxidizing agent. These type of question would be asked here in related to the redox reaction. So what are the possible questions you would be getting from here? From a redox reaction you would be getting four type of question. Number one, name the substance, name the substance which is getting oxidized. Sorry, this would be the second question. Okay, first question would be like, tell whether this is a redox reaction or not. Whether a redox reaction or not. This you have to tell first. If yes, then you have to tell name the substance which is getting oxidized. Then after you have to tell name the substance which is getting reduced. Name the substance which is getting reduced. Okay, then you might be asked, name the substance, name the oxidizing agent. Okay, this you would be asked also. Name the oxidizing agent. And number 5, name the reducing agent. Name the reducing agent. Okay, so these are the possible questions which can be asked related to the redox reactions. Okay, so let me tell you in a brief what do we call the oxidation. Oxidation means name the substance which is getting oxidized, means where the oxidation is taking place. Oxidation means addition of hydrogen, sorry, addition of here I'm writing addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Look here, addition of oxygen and removal of oxygen, addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen is known as oxidation. At the same time, reduction means addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen will be called as the reduction. Oxidizing agent, which would be the oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agents means the substance which are giving oxygen or taking hydrogen. Giving oxygen means the substance which is giving oxygen and taking hydrogen would be called oxidizing agent. And one more, that is the reducing agent. Reducing agent means the substance which is giving hydrogen and taking oxygen. Giving hydrogen and taking oxygen would be called the reducing agent. Are you getting this for? Yes. So let's study this with an example. Write down the question. Question is write down a reaction. Fe2O3 plus aluminium. This gives iron plus Al2O3, that is aluminium oxide. So this is the reaction. Okay, so first question is, write down all the question. Again you have to write all these questions. First 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Write all these questions here. So first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. These are the 5 questions which you have to write. These questions which I have already written, again you have to write this question here. So first question is whether a redox reaction, whether this is a redox reaction or not. You have to tell this first. Redox reaction means where oxidation and reduction is taking place simultaneously. So let's see whether reduction and oxidation taking place simultaneously or not. If you look at Fe2O3, Fe2O3 was having oxygen earlier. Now if you see Fe here, it is alone here. Means here oxygen has been given. Now no oxygen. Removal of oxygen you can see from Fe2O3 to Fe. It means here you have where there is removal of oxygen, means minus O2. Removal of oxygen you call it as the reduction. Means the reduction is taking place here. Here is the reduction taking place. If you look at aluminium earlier it is alone here. Now you can see here there is addition of oxygen to aluminium. So here you can see addition of oxygen. Look here, earlier it is alone, now having oxygen. So when there is addition of oxygen, you would call it as oxidation reaction. So this would be the oxidation reaction. Okay, so here you can see both oxidation and reduction is taking place, so hence it is a redox reaction. So write the first answer. Yes, it is a redox reaction. Yes, it is a redox reaction. Why? Because both oxidation and reduction is reductions are taking place simultaneously. So that is why it is a redox reaction. Second question you have to write here is name the substance which is getting oxidized. Right here, name the substance which is getting oxidized. This is the second question. Means I will give you 4 or 5 questions. In every reaction you have to write these 5 questions on your own. Okay, I would not be writing this here. Okay, you have to write it. So name the substance which is getting oxidized. So you tell me here, second question is which is the substance which is being oxidized. So can you tell me here which one is the substance which is being oxidized? Name the substance which is being oxidized. Can you tell me? Name the substance which is being oxidized means which is getting oxygen. Here, look here, oxidation is taking place. So which substance is getting oxidized? Aluminium is getting oxidized. So answer of the second question is aluminium. Look here, name the substance which is getting oxidized. So answer would be aluminium, because oxidation of aluminium is taking place here. Earlier oxygen was not there, now it is having oxygen. So it is being oxidized. Third one question, name the substance which is getting reduced. Getting reduced means where there is removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. So where you can see the removal of hydrogen or addition of hydrogen is not here, but you can see removal of oxygen here. Okay, so reduction is taking place here. So means which substance is getting reduced? Fe2O3 has been reduced to Fe. So which substance is getting reduced? Answer is Fe2O3. So answer of third question, name the substance which is getting reduced. So answer would be Fe2O3. So answer is Fe2O3. So here Fe2O3 is getting reduced. Answer of the next question, name the oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent means the substance which is giving oxygen or taking hydrogen. Hydrogen is nowhere here, but giving, which one substance is giving oxygen? You just tell me. In these two, which one is giving oxygen? This one is giving oxygen. Earlier it is alone, now it is giving oxygen. This one is the substance which is giving oxygen to aluminium. This is the substance which is giving its oxygen to aluminium. So this one would be called as the oxidizing agent. So what is the oxidizing agent here? Fe2O3. So you can write here oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agent is what here? Fe2O3. Now tell the reducing agent. Reducing agent means which is the substance which is taking oxygen or giving hydrogen. Hydrogen is not here, but oxygen, about oxygen you can see here. Name the substance which is taking oxygen. Which is the substance which is taking oxygen? This one is taking oxygen? No, it is not taking. Look at here, aluminium is taking oxygen. So the substance which is taking oxygen from this one, aluminium is taking from oxygen from this one, and this one is giving oxygen to this. So which one is giving oxygen would be called oxidizing agent, and which one is taking oxygen, so would be called as the reducing agent. So what is the reducing agent here? Aluminium. So answer for reducing agent would be aluminium. Are you getting this? Would be getting in the next reaction. Okay, just I will make it clear to you. Okay, so let's study. This is the first question, write it, then second question. Okay, now let's move to the second question. Okay, similar question we would be discussing. Second question is copper oxide plus you have the reaction of hydrogen is taking place, and you could see here copper plus hydrogen, sorry, this water. So here first question, whether a redox reaction or not. To tell us whether this is a redox reaction or not, first you would have to tell whether oxidation and reduction is taking place simultaneously or not. If you see, copper oxide is being changed into copper. So earlier it was having oxygen, now it is not having oxygen. It means it is giving oxygen. So the substance which is giving oxygen, would be called as the reduction. Reduced one means there is the reduction is taking place. So here you have the reduction reaction. Okay. Now if in the case of hydrogen, you could see here in the case of hydrogen, the substance which is getting oxygen. Look here, hydrogen earlier alone, now there is addition of oxygen. Look here, addition. So if there is addition of oxygen, so you would call it as the oxidation reaction. So this is oxidation. So here again you can see oxidation and reduction both are taking place simultaneously. So hence it would be called as the redox reaction. Yes. So it is a redox reaction. You all write these questions here, then in front of this answer only you have to write yes, no, all these. Okay. Second question. What is the second question? Name the substance which is getting oxidized. So tell me, which is the substance which is getting oxidized here? Oxidized one is S2. Look here, S2 is getting oxidized. S2 is getting oxidized means addition of oxygen is taking place with H2. Okay, so which substance is getting oxidized? H2. So answer number 2 is S2. Third one, name the substance which is getting reduced. So which substance is getting reduced? Here reduction is taking place. So this one is getting reduced means CuO, that is copper oxide is getting reduced. Question number 4. Name the oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent means which is giving oxygen or taking hydrogen. So here which one is the substance giving oxygen? I think this one is giving oxygen to hydrogen. So this one is giving oxygen means which one is giving? This one is giving oxygen alone now. So it is giving oxygen. So it would be oxidizing agent or reducing agent. Which one is giving oxygen would be called as oxidizing agent, and which one would be taking oxygen would be called as the reducing agent. So this is oxidizing agent and this one would be the reducing agent, because this is giving oxygen So if this is giving oxygen would be called as the oxidizing agent, and which was in taking oxygen would be called as the reducing agent. So this one is oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agent I am writing again here, oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agent is CuO, because CuO is giving its oxygen. At the same time you have the reducing agent. So reducing agent is which one is taking oxygen? S2 is taking oxygen, becoming S2. So S2 is reducing agent. So these are the 5 questions which you have to answer in each of the reaction. Okay. One more reaction. If you have written this, one more reaction I am just writing here, which you just try it yourself. Okay. Question is chlorine. Visible? Good. Chlorine plus hydrogen sulfide, both are reacting together to make sulfur plus twice HCl, means hydrochloric acid. So tell me whether this is the example of redox reaction. First question. If this would be the example of redox reaction, first you just have to tell whether where the oxidation is taking place and where the reduction is taking place. Just answer it. Try it yourself. Pause the video and try it. If you have tried, then you can look here again. Okay. Now if you could see, oxidation means addition of oxygen, but oxygen is not here. Okay. Then another, oxidation means removal of hydrogen. If there is no oxygen, no addition of oxygen no is taking place, then you can check at hydrogen. If there is removal of hydrogen, then also it is oxidation. So oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. So here you can see where is the removal of hydrogen would be as the oxidation one. Okay. So where is removal of hydrogen? Here hydrogen is not here. So from here you can see removal of hydrogen. Look here, earlier H2S was alone. Earlier H2S was having hydrogen. Now sulfur now alone here. Now hydrogen is not here. So it means hydrogen has been removed from here. So where hydrogen has been removed means removal of hydrogen would be called as the oxidation. So here oxidation is taking place. Similarly, here you can see reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Look here. Chlorine was alone. Now hydrogen is being added there. So addition of hydrogen is taking place here. So this would be the reduction example. So here you can see both oxidation and reduction taking place. So hence it would be the example of redox reaction. So answer would be yes. It is redox reaction. Answer number 2. Which substance is getting oxidized? Name the substance which is getting oxidized. Which one is getting oxidized? H2S is getting oxidized. Look here, H2S is getting oxidized to sulfur. So H2S is getting oxidized. So answer number 2 would be H2S. Third one. Name the substance which is getting reduced. Tell me. Name the substance which is getting reduced. Which is getting reduced? Chlorine is getting reduced to twice HCl. So which one is the substance that is getting reduced here? Is chlorine. So answer number 3 would be chlorine. Answer number 4. Oxidizing agent. So which would be the oxidizing agent? Which one is the reducing agent? That you have to tell in 4th and 5th one. So which is the oxidizing agent here? Oxidizing agent, remember this. Oxidizing agent means which is giving oxygen or taking hydrogen. Among these two, which is giving oxygen is not here, but you can check about the hydrogen. Means which is taking hydrogen. So among these two, which one is taking hydrogen? This is taking hydrogen? Not. This is giving hydrogen. So which one is giving hydrogen? This is giving hydrogen. So which one is giving hydrogen would be called the reducing agent. So it means H2S is giving hydrogen. So it is reducing agent. And which one is taking hydrogen? Chlorine. So that which is taking hydrogen would be called as the oxidizing agent. So this is the oxidizing agent. Chlorine is taking hydrogen. So chlorine would be oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agent is chlorine. And reducing agent means which is giving hydrogen. Which is giving hydrogen would be reducing agent. Reducing agent is what here? Hydrogen sulfide, that is H2S. Okay, so this is how you would answer the questions. Okay, one more you would study. One more reaction is here. Again the reaction is MnO2 plus 4HCl. It is balanced one. MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2. This is the reaction. Okay. Now here you have to tell whether this is redox reaction or not first. So redox means first question whether a redox reaction or not. So just answer where the oxidation and reduction taking place together. So you can see here MnO2 to MnCl2. MnO2 becoming MnCl2 means here oxygen was there, now here no oxygen. It means removal of oxygen. So if there is removal of oxygen, this minus O2, you would call it as the reduction. So here reduction is taking place. Are you getting? And from HCl, now it is becoming Cl. Look here. HCl is becoming Cl. Yes or not? So earlier there was hydrogen. Earlier there was hydrogen. Now there is no hydrogen. So where there is removal of hydrogen means minus H2. Where there is removal of hydrogen would be called as oxidation. So here oxidation is taking place. Are you getting this? Now both reduction and oxidation taking place. So it is example of redox reaction. So answer you would write at yes. It is redox reaction. Number 2. Name the substance that is getting oxidized. So which one is getting oxidized? That is HCl. Look here, HCl is getting oxidized. So answer number 2 is HCl. Answer number 3. Name the substance which is getting reduced. So which one is getting reduced? That is MnO2. Number 4. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. And the next one is reducing agent. Number 5. reducing agent. So these question you have to tell. Oxidizing agent means which is giving oxygen or taking hydrogen. So here which is giving oxygen in this, in between these two, which one is giving oxygen? I think MnO2 is giving oxygen. Look here, it is giving oxygen to him. It is giving oxygen to HCl. So it means which is giving oxygen. This one is giving oxygen. So which is giving oxygen would be called as what? Would be called as what? Would be called as what? Would be called as, which is giving oxygen would be called as the oxidizing agent. So which one is oxidizing agent here? MnO2. Okay. And which is reducing agent? Reducing agent means which is giving hydrogen or taking oxygen. So this is giving hydrogen. Look here, this is giving hydrogen also and taking oxygen. After taking oxygen from here, this H2 is becoming H2O. Look here, so this is taking oxygen, this is giving oxygen, and this one is taking oxygen. So which one is taking oxygen would be called as reducing agent. So reducing agent which is giving oxygen, which one is taking oxygen would be called as the reducing. So this is taking oxygen and it is giving. So which one is giving is this oxidizing agent, and which one is taking is reducing agent. So reducing agent would be HCl. Okay, let's study one more example that you would try yourself first. One more example I'm writing here. Okay, example is lead sulfide that is in solid form, and you have 4H2O2, this is in aqueous form, and we are having lead sulfate that is PbSO4, again it is solid, plus then you have H2O 4 molecules. Okay, 4H2O. Okay, now first answer whether this is redox or not. I can say it is redox, but how it is you have to show it. Okay, now if you could see lead sulfide becoming lead sulfate. So lead sulfide becoming lead sulfate means here you can see addition of oxygen. So where there is addition of oxygen, you would call it as oxidation. And in case of H2O2, where there is removal of oxygen, here you can see how many oxygen here, 4 to the 8 oxygen, and how many oxygen here, only 4 oxygen. It means there is removal of oxygen. So where there is removal of oxygen means minus O2 is reduction. So reduction is taking place here. So both reduction and oxidation taking place simultaneously, you would call it as the redox reaction. So yes, answer is yes, it is redox reaction. Number 2, name the substance which is getting oxidized. This is the second question. So which is the substance that is getting oxidized? Oxidized means which is giving oxygen or taking hydrogen. Giving oxygen or taking hydrogen. The substance which is giving oxygen and taking hydrogen would be called as the oxidizing agent. Sorry, I'm talking about the oxidized one. Okay, sorry. Name the substance which is getting oxidized. So which one is getting oxidized here? Look here, oxidation is taking place here, na? So this one is getting oxidized. I mean answer is lead sulfide is getting oxidized. Third one, name the substance which is getting reduced. So this one is getting reduced. So reduced one is H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so this is getting reduced. Question number 5, name the oxidizing agent. So here you have to tell oxidizing agent. Fifth one is reducing agent. So which one is oxidizing agent and which one is reducing agent? So if you talk about oxidizing agent, means the substance which is giving oxygen and taking hydrogen, giving oxygen or taking hydrogen. So which one is giving oxygen here? Look here, H2O2 is giving oxygen to this one. So this one is giving oxygen, so it is giving oxygen. So which is giving oxygen is oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agent is H2O2. And which one is taking oxygen? Lead sulfide is taking oxygen. So that is why O is joining here, na? So lead sulfide is taking oxygen. So it means PBS, that is lead sulfide, is reducing agent. So reducing agent is what here? PBS, that is lead sulfide. So these were some questions which we have discussed today related to the redox reaction. Would be discussing some more about these types of reactions, some other type of question we will study in the next lecture. Stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.